AI hallucinates because it's working from memory. But what if it could just look things up? That's RAG. Here's the issue with the standard AI model. Everything it knows got baked in during training, and then the door closed. Ask it about something that happened last month, it guesses. Ask it about your company's internal policy, it makes something up. That's how you get hallucinations. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Ignore the jargon. Here's what it actually means. Before the AI answers your question, it first goes and retrieves real information. Maybe it searches your company's documents, maybe it pulls from a live database. Then, and only then, it generates an answer based on what it actually found. Instead of guessing from memory, it's reading from a source. Like the difference between a doctor recalling a textbook from med school versus a doctor who can pull up your actual chart. This solves the two problems at once. First, hallucinations, because the AI is grounded in real documents and not just vibes. Number two, outdated knowledge, because you can connect it to live, current data. And here's the best part. You don't have to retrain the whole model. You just plug it into your data source. That's why companies love this. Build a chatbot that actually knows your stuff. No PhD required. RAG is why some AI tools feel scary accurate and others feel like they're competently making things up. Now you know the difference. Follow for the next video and drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.